Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Kia Sorento LX, stock number B9407A. Only 37,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, metal bronze in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Sorento seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat backs recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, 37,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, very easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, automatic transmission, manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Sorento is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 191 horsepower. And very clean under the hood. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sorento, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.